Hi to everyone, and today I want to do a special video on OBS, and it's just a brief video just to teach anyone who wishes to have it how to get it and install it in their computers. OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software, and the purpose of the software is to record videos. The videos can be for any reason. It can be for course delivery. In fact, it is generally a video that illustrates a particular concept. Okay, and OBS is a software, an open software, very free, very free. That is. Used widely for live streaming. It can live stream to most of the media that we know. It live streams to Twitter, live streams to Facebook, live streams to did I say Twitter? Twitch rather, to Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Okay, and it's very handy. So to get it, all you need to do is come to Google. Okay, you do a Google search and you type OBS download, as you can see here. Let me just type it. You type OBS download. Once you're here, you will see this very first option here, download OBS. You can click there and it should take you to the website, the page where you can get the software. If you are on Mac, you want to get this version. If you're on Linux, you want to click right here. But I am on Windows. Okay, once there, if you want to download the installer for 32 bits, this is it right here. Okay, but for 64 bits, the one I'm having, this is the major button that I'll click on to get it. So I'll just click right there, and that's it. The download starts automatically. I have IDM. Okay, I have IDM. Let me cancel this because I already have the software. Okay, so if you don't have IDM, the moment you click on download, it will pop up right down here. Your browser will download it itself. Okay, the moment your browser finishes downloading it, you should have it somewhere in your downloads, except for those who have changed the default position of where the downloads appear. It should be found here in your downloads folder. For me, with IDM, it is found in downloads and programs. Okay, so I should have an OBS somewhere here. Good, this is my OBS here. Okay, so once you have it, all you need to do is just to double click right on the setup and follow the steps. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is follow the steps. Okay, so I'll go to next. I agree. Okay, you can take time to read through the conditions. Okay, terms and conditions. Feel free and agree. Then next. Yeah, I don't want any of this. You just install. As simple as that. Okay, so we'll wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so this is when the download is completed. I mean the installation is complete. It should show you a window like this one. You want to check the launch OBS studio and then click on finish. Okay, so this should open OBS in a jiffy. Okay, okay, great. So my OBS is open, and the message they asked me first is, would you like to run the auto configuration wizard? You can also manually, and for those who don't know, right, I'll recommend that you just click on yes here, and everything should basically be set up. Okay, so the next question is optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, or optimize just for recording. Okay, I will not be streaming, so you have your choice. Okay, personally I use OBS for streaming, so I'll optimize for streaming, and then my recording is secondary. Okay, yeah, the rest here you can always choose. Okay, good. So you see here the service that I'll mostly be using will be YouTube, and let me just cancel that. The moment I will be doing the streaming, I will know how to go about it. So this is the OBS window right here. Okay, so that's how you install OBS. So bye bye, and see you in future tutorial.